mist maker. How to use the mist maker. It's very long. First, put in the water. And then plug in. It's not working, right? There's a normal step, it's not working, but you need, this why you need to do one more step. Make sure this one plug in, this one in the water, take it off, take it in, it's working, right? Every time if happen again, do one more step off, in, okay? I hope I'm in the video. Perfect, beautiful. Yes, this is make your room wet. Beautiful. Yeah, the color is changed. Colorful night. You can take it off. Plug in. One more time. Off, in. Okay? You don't forget last step. Perfect. Okay, see you.